short answer is, apparently you can impulse buy a house. But now for the long answer. We came to Tampa looking for a new RV. February marks our 2-year anniversary in the RV, and we always said we'd do it for 2 years and then figure something else out. So we were looking to upgrade our RV into a Class A. We looked at American Coach, Tiffin's, and Dutch Star, and we had pretty much decided on the Dutch Star 4368. But of course, we wanted to special order some items. So we worked through the special order sheet, even got a value for our trade-in of our truck and our current fifth wheel. But then we arrived at our next stop in Ocala, Florida. There's not a lot to do in Ocala, so I suggested that we go out and visit one of the 55-plus retirement communities. Well, we went out. First one right off the bat was Del Webb Stone Creek, and we really liked it. We went to a few. We went to Del Webb, On Top of the World, and Trilogy. We really didn't like On Top of the World that much, but we did like Trilogy and Del Webb Stone Creek. Trilogy is a planned 1,700 home community with a par 3 hybrid golf course. Now, a par 3 hybrid, during the week it plays as 18 par 3s, but on the weekend it plays as a 6-hole championship course, which you do a loop 3 times to make 18 holes.
Yeah, neither am I. Right. That's pretty good. Thank you. Thank you.
This is our grand living room, so that's why always the doors open to the outside, so we bring outdoors
Okay.
2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage. Couple of things
Man.
before you get looking at home.
Is this nice too?
Yeah, I haven't even, this is a guest
A lot of
bathroom.
goodies in it.
Oh, okay.
So don't look at the goodies, just look at the layout. Warranty is an amazing product. It's meant to withstand up to 190 mile/hour winds. We use Wayne Dalton insulated garage doors, Genie garage door openers.
Okay.
We use double pane low E vinyl clad windows in my windows, which is a brand name window. We use green spray and cellulose insulation, which is an amazing product.
How much is this one? No, we'll write you a check.
So, yeah. I like this one. What we were looking for was, a way.
The one that appealed to us most was Del Webb Stone Creek. The Del Webb community is planned for 4,000 homes, and it has a par 72 championship golf course, along with an indoor and outdoor pools and hot tubs. Hi.
Are you taking pictures?
I just filmed, we're comparing properties, so.
Oh, there's really, I think they hurt. Some people say they do. I don't think they do. I enjoy it. I enjoy the way it feels. Gotta be proactive. Yeah. I started to learn to write.
Oh, well, we can't see the indoor pool. They're all closed today because they're installing non-slip surfaces.
Oh, yeah.
You just have to look through the windows.
You can go to the window.
Right.
But you got to remember, in there they had the 2 locker rooms.
Yeah.
They,
smirking at? What was smirking at before? Yeah, I didn't realize they had, I guess I forgot they had lap lanes on this pool too.
Yeah. Over kind of separated.
All right.
Are you doing quilting?
Yes, we are. Come in. We're doing a little of everything. I got to get my hug. You selling a lot?
Huh? We are in.
We're close.
I belong to a textile here.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, we get confused about which house or which development said what. Well, who said that? Well, I'm not really sure.
No, that's fine.
Yeah. Because,
Building a house in all ages. That's the only one around here with these type of amenities.
Okay, so one thing I wanted to ask you was about the that we want, because it has the external thing.
Yeah.
Here.
So we'd want something about this size. Because, well, not that we build a house to fit our furniture, but it still gives us a lot of room.
Sure.
And we had like a
That-
nice table. We had a
That
couple
out there,
lounge chairs.
I can't do.
You cannot do that part out there.
I cannot do that part. I don't even know why they put it in here.
Oh, okay.
Because it can't go out, jet up out the side of your house.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. So
Good tell us.
good to tell us. So we do need a part that is not.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah, he makes everything from scratch.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, I don't make the pepperoni or the sausage.
Well.
Oh, the other question is, Johnetta, did you ask him about...
I must have got pushed back because they're still working on it. Yeah, so your living room, your entry. So
Okay.
most people use over here, or they use this part of the buffer. Yeah.
Welcome carpets.
You can.
Okay.
Yeah, you can. This one has a bigger shower option. So this is the bigger shower option in this one. You can turn the lights
Oh, okay.
So is that the standard extension that we see here?
on this one. Yeah, that'd be built.
Oh, that's quite a large shower.
It is.
Yeah.
And then in the walk-in closet, you have a pass-through into your laundry room to throw your clothes.
Oh.
So that's
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Oh, okay. The laundry chute. Okay.
You know, I have no excuse for just throwing my dirty clothes on the floor.
That's right. You can throw them on the floor there.
Yeah.
Right, not put a basket there. You can just throw them there. But yeah, in the closet. Here.
And then down the hallway, you'll have the den, the second bedroom, and bathroom.
Okay.
These are the standard cabinets like you saw in the Newmar Coast model. This is the standard granite.
Oh, okay.
So you can get bigger cabinets if you wanted to.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's pass-through.
Oh, this is the pass-through. Okay. So they did this without having a countertop on here? Or something was wrong with it?
Yeah, I guess that's why one of the reasons why they're not closing it.
What's that?
There's
There's
no
a countertop.
countertop on the thing.
Right. They must have added some things because this wasn't in there at all. So you could do a washer and dryer, a sink, and you can do it on time of construction and cabinets.
Yeah.
And so they let it a flex room without the French doors on it.
This is the flex room, okay. A little bit larger.
And then the second bedroom and bathroom.
So this is composite
No, that is,
What is this?
that's laminate.
So you have quite a few options.
We do. And now we don't have this laminate, we have vinyl.
Oh, okay.
So a thick, like Pergo style.
Yeah. I can see they're not quite finished at all. The base cabinets, not on.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Is the shower curtain rod included?
Yes.
Okay. And they probably think that's a strange question, but back home it isn't.
Oh, no. There's nothing you can ask me that will throw me off.
Can you walk outside and look
Absolutely.
at it?
Absolutely. So this is an option. Standard, you have a door here and a handle there, and you can stack them all three right here, or stack them all three right here. Or this is an option to do the pocket.
Oh, that's the cool door.
Yeah, that's the
Sounds-
pocket door.
That's the pocket door.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah, I don't know why this, I thought this was closing already. They're not even close to anything.
Right, yeah, they have a few things to finish up.
I don't know, when the salesperson that wrote the contract, I don't know what their stipulations were.
For comparison, the base price, the Taft and this differ by how much?
I want to say it's right around 9.
Oh, okay.
9,000.
So not that
something
much.
like that. I think it's something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the pool day, and you just open it out.
Yeah, as long as it's screened in,
Yeah.
make a nice big area.
Mm-hmm.
I forget how the other one's laid out. That's really not an option. That big glass door and the Taft.
There was just a side door that was, no,
Yeah.
having this in the tap, no, this
Yeah.
was the sink was over there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is this wall standard?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
It's not a big deal.
Huh? I don't like it.
Why? But maybe it allows me to have something where we could put our shoes in. Are you saying, here, you put your shoes right here?
Yeah. I don't know.
It's not, we will have something there.
See, I like it because you have separation.
You have separation, yeah. He just can't see it decorated,
Yeah.
that's why. It's not
A lot of people don't like it, but a lot of people do because they want separation.
separation.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can put little, it'll make it work. Yeah, that's what we're looking
Yeah,
Okay,
that'd
that's
be
all
good
right. I
enough.
just wanna-
Yeah, I just wonder how are we gonna figure all this in?
Some of the stuff, there's a couple items that you have to piggyback with something else and that I don't know.
Yeah.
So,
What are the appliance options?
and I'll show you I don't have them here.
Okay.
I'll show you the black Whirlpool appliances are standard, like we saw on the Newark coast. Then there's different levels.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'll show you all those.
Okay, cool.
So what's the standard sink?
50/50, this one right here.
Okay.
You do a full bowl, it's a $100 upgrade, or 60/40, $100 upgrade.
I think that's good, right?
Yeah, I just don't. Let's see how we price it out.
Yeah, I haven't.
We can say, probably we'll go with.
You
with
basically
three
like the
here.
Taft Street how it is, but with different colors.
The what?
The Taft Street model,
It had the
Yeah.
hardest-
but with different colors.
Well, we like the color of the wood. But
Okay.
we want the luxury package. So we're looking
Yeah,
for-
yeah.
that- with the luxury package.
Okay, yeah, that's not.
Now, did that have carpet in the bedrooms? No.
It did.
Yes, that one had carpet in the bedrooms.
Yeah, we
Yep.
want the same wood extended.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
Yeah.
In the end, we decided to go with Stone Creek and the Crestview model. It was well within our price range, and what it had over Trilogy was the fact that it had indoor and outdoor pools and hot tubs, and it had the full golf course. The biggest selling point of the Crestview model were those cool pocket doors for the sliding glass door. So we will be coming back in March to do all the color selections, flooring, tile, etc. And then closing is planned for June or July of this year. We probably won't move in at that point, simply because it'll be just too hot in Florida, and we'll wait until October and November to move all our stuff down and move in. Our plan is to stay in Florida 6 or 7 months out of the year and spend the rest of the year in our RV out traveling. So we won't be full-time RVers, but we will be approximately half-time RVers. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. Subscribe to stay up to date on not only our travels, but our house buying experience. And ring that bell to make sure you get notifications. And as always, safe travels.